Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited that you're joining me today because we're going to make Monte Cristo sliders. Oh, these are so delicious. They make the perfect appetizer, brunch, breakfast, lunch, you name it. These are good anytime. So let me show you just how to make them. This is what you're gonna need: some Hawaiian sweet rolls, some raspberry jam, Swiss cheese, and deli ham. So first things first is I'm just going to slice these Hawaiian sweet rolls in half. Place the bottom in a lightly greased 9x13 baking dish. And then I'm using red raspberry jelly for this, and this is seedless. I'm just gonna spread it out on the bottom of these sweet rolls. All right, then I'm gonna place some Swiss cheese on top. And then I'm just placing some deli sliced honey ham. Now you can use honey ham and a deli turkey if you like, or you could use both, a little bit of each, or you could just use one or the other. Today I'm just using the ham. And then place the top of the sweet rolls on top of the ham. So next we want to make a butter sauce to pour over top. I have a half of a stick of melted butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon of a mustard. Now you can use Dijon. I'm actually using a Coleman's mustard. Any mustard will work. Yellow, spicy brown, use your favorite. All right, then I'm just going to pour this over top of my Hawaiian sweet rolls. All right, then I'm going to cover with aluminum foil and bake in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes covered and then 10 minutes uncovered. All right, so it is my favorite time. It is time for the taste test. I have a little extra of this raspberry jelly jam because I like to have a little bit of sweetness. These are definitely a sweet and savory, yummy goodness, appetizer, whatever. Listen, if you love a Monte Cristo sandwich, you've got to try these sliders. You will not be sorry. You can't go wrong. All right, well, that is all there is to it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all my delicious recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.